2012 GMC Yukon 6.0 liter. Beautiful Denali right there. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there and there. Then the dreaded third cat that everyone hates there. Then it's got that flex pipe. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW part number 11259. Be a link in the description for it. 18-inch body. He didn't want too much sound, so we said, okay, we got you. We'll make it nice and deep. You only hear it when you give it gas. And then we also put a 4-inch tip right there. Roll black. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Much better. A lot deeper.
Yeah.
MAGNAFLOW. There's the sound decibels on it. Again, right at 95. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. It's under 100 decibels. Doesn't drone too much inside. It just gives it a nice deep tone. A nice look to it. Custom lights. I like it. It's just clean car all the way around. Got a mirror finish to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon, MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body, muffler, 4-inch tip.